donor car to be, again, completely stripped. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to present you another very special GT-R 34 V-Spec, and we are about to start a special project in complementary to the one that we have just recently completed. If you guys follow us on YouTube, about a few months ago we presented you Midnight Purple 3 GT-R 34 V-Spec that was completely rebuilt by Garage Yoshida and tuned by Minds. And that was first of its kind Midnight Purple 3 GT-R 34 V-Spec in the world that is complete Yoshida restored and Minds built. And this time around, in collaboration again with our friends at Harlow Jap Auto, we decided to go for Midnight Purple 2 Edition 1 as well. And in this video, I would like to present you this particular donor car, how the car looks before we start the project, and over the next year and 2 years, I'll be providing you updates on this particular car, how we developed the project. Well, now let me tell you real quick about the project. Guys, we have selected beautiful, one of its kind, Nissan Skyline GT-R 34 V-Spec. By the way, this is Midnight Purple 2 color, one of the first GT-R 34s that was USA import legal under show and display import regulations, and we shipped so many of them to the United States. Only 298 units ever made, and it's a V-Spec edition, very rare in original color. As a shop that we focus in originality, we selected particularly this car as a donor car to be, again, completely stripped, Garage Yoshida, and rebuilt in original condition as exactly this particular color, Midnight Purple 2 Edition GT-R 34. Before we send out the car to Garage Yoshida, which tomorrow he will be here to pick up the car, let's go through the car real quick, how the donor car for the project looks. Believe it or not, guys, this car looks immaculate. She is accident-free, absolutely no rust issues, relatively stock, and believe it or not, as she looks, she is absolutely fabulous condition. A lot of people go out there and say, hey man, like, why work on such a beautiful car to start with? There are a lot of people who work actually on the cars that are a little bit, you know, it's got maybe repair history or rust issues. It's not us. We select the cleanest car possible so that the history of the car is going to be very clean as well. It's going to be easier to work with, and the base of it is as well is going to be very, very solid. So looking at the car comes with exactly stock full aero, as you guys can see that, as it came from the factory. No upgrades, even the wheels are stock. Again, accident-free. She's got only 80,000 kilometers on the mileage, and finding one of those cars in Japan right now is a nightmare, I tell you what. And us being the pioneers of JDM sports cars, particularly GT-R 34s in Japan, we have not just one or two or three of them here at the shop. This is Midnight Purple 2 color. If you look at this one over here, this one is particularly color, is slightly different shade. It's called Midnight Purple 3. We just had the restoration work complete on this one, again by Garage Yoshida, and now we will start working on the Midnight Purple 2 one. Believe it or not, at any given time and day at Garage Yoshida, we have about 3 GT-R 34s he's working on, and he will be soon delivering us 1 GT-R 34 and to be able to pick up another one as a replacement, and that's going to be this one. As we are recording, today is December 14th, 2025, and once she is delivered to Garage Yoshida, she is going to be again stripped completely, just like we did on Midnight Purple 3 color, and over the next 5, 6 to 8 months, we will be rebuilding it from scratch in exactly the same original factory color. Now, come take a look closer on the car. Not even a dent, very smooth. Moldings on the car, everything is perfectly fine condition. And honestly, sometimes you look at the car and feel like, hey, I mean, wow, man, like, am I gonna strip this car apart, you know, to bare chassis, bare shell, and rebuild it? That's exactly what we're gonna do. Looking at the shades, I hope this shades make enough justice for you guys. She is complete stock, looking absolutely stunningly beautiful. and complete stock edition GTR 34. With this shades, man, I am totally in love with it. When those cars become USA import legal under show and display import regulations from 2020, because United States has got two basically agencies that dictate the import legality of the car. The one being EPA, which says car has to be 21 years old to be exempted, and the second one is NHTSA, which says car has to be 25 years old to be exempted from its regulations. So this car particularly, guys, V-Spec edition Midnight Purple 2s, once they become 21 years old and exempted from EPA import regulations, those were the first GTR 34s to be legally shipped to the United States under show and display. If you guys follow us about 5 years ago on our channel in early 2021, I'll leave the link below. We made some videos shipping not just 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of them, 5 of them at a time, and we shipped lots of them, you know. And I'm pretty proud about it, you know. So with that being said, let's take a look at the interior. I want you guys to take a look at the interior as well. And on the Minds project cars that we've been doing together with Minds, again, we will strip off the interior completely as well. There will be new Recaro seats, door panels, dashboard, roof. Everything is going to be redone with special Minds Alcantara design. It's going to look awesome. We did the Midnight Purple 3-1 with exactly matching Midnight Purple stitchings. For this ones, we are going to try to do it with the Midnight Purple 2 stitchings. It's going to be awesome, and I'm super excited for that. Now let's take a look at from this side. I just want to show you how clean the Donna car it is before we start the project, guys. And believe it or not, we've been doing lots of projects with Yoshida, with Minds, of course with Nismo. We have been doing several different colors of Minds projects together with Minds. We have done the white one, the white M-Spec newer based one that is currently at First Motors, looking pretty fabulous out there right now. We have done the base A blue one. She is looking absolutely gorgeous. We have completed the Midnight Purple 3-1. This is Midnight Purple 2-1, and we have further ones in the pipeline, which is I'm not gonna give you guys too much details about it. But Yoshida, we've been restoring pretty much all color GTR 34s. We don't get to have the time to be able to record every single project that we're completing, but whenever we feel the mood, whenever we like to give a quick shout out, just like it is in today's video's car, we like to do that for you guys, very special. Now let's take a look at the seats. When you know the cleanness of the car, when you just open it and sit just beside it, you know, look at the seats, perfectly fine condition. Interior smells super fresh, like absolutely nothing of a strange smell or anything like that. And one of the weakest points of GTR 34s I have seen many times before is that those floor mats, original floor mats, are ripped over time, which is not the case on this car because, again, car has been exceptionally well maintained. And whether it's ripped or not, right now we've been also doing this project where we can basically restore the whole floor mat and attach new layers on it. It looks fabulous on the cars. We might as well end up doing that because it's gonna look really awesome. With that, let's open up the engine room compartment and let's take a look what the engine room compartment is gonna look like, because guys, believe it or not, engine room compartment is going to completely look different once the project is complete. Now, although car is complete stock, one of the first things that you see on the car is, of course, the garage defend cooling panel. We have been making this world famous cooling panels, very famous. We've been shipping so many of them to different clients every week, if not the month. And the engine room compartment looks absolutely fresh and beautiful. Look at the strut towers, original. One of the common issues with the strut towers, rust starts basically boiling up on the strut towers, but not the issue on this particular car. Perfectly fine. And as you guys can see that this is Midnight Purple 2 color, the color code LV4, and very difficult to find, particularly in this color option. That's the reason why we are doing it Minds project, because I tell you what, once this one is complete, she is going to be one of one in the world, in particularly this color. Midnight Purple 2 Minds car that is complete restored by Garage Yoshida. It's gonna be amazing. And we are just blown away and waiting for it. Midnight Purple 2 Minds that we delivered to Carlo Jap Auto was one of its kind. Everyone who saw the car was completely blown away with it. you know, and she's still one of its kind in the world. There's no equal to it. And this one, once the project is complete, is going to be exactly like that. Midnight Purple 3, Midnight Purple 2, only one of its kind in the world GTR 34s. That's why, although the car is looking absolutely gorgeous, before we deliver it to Garage Yoshida, we want to still deliver it to Garage Yoshida and rebuild this thing so that it's going to look perfect. Perfect shades, absolutely no age or whatever on the car, looking like a brand new car. And I'm super excited to it. Ladies and gents, that was a quick shout out for Midnight Purple 2 GTR 34 V-Spec before we will have the car stripped and sent out to mines to get it completely converted. Stay tuned, and we will be providing updates on this particular car for the next 2026 to come and 2027 to come as well, before we have her delivered to our friends at Harlow Jep Auto. Thank you, and cheers. See you guys in the next movies. Bye.
それはもうみんな次のその
So they have,
待ってるやつ
they have engines already built for the next cars waiting in line.
そのだったからそんなにこう結構そのまあうちはそんなにねとんがったのは作らないですけどもまあ波ってやつかな。まあうん。
Not hand pulled it.
Yeah, hand,
Same,
that's
hand assembly.